Hey and welcome. In this specific video demo, I want to share with you a little bit about this video course and how it might be very beneficial for you and your business as an online publisher. Now, you've gotten a privately rights ebook or report, and it's time to really take it to the next level. Most people will simply stamp their name on the product and on the sales letter and resell it. Now, what I'm about to share with you in this specific video series is how you can take that to the next level, how you can stand out and be different than all the other hundreds and thousands of other people who are doing the same thing. So how can you increase your perceived value of your product, and how can you brand or rebrand that specific product? Now, this video series is 11 parts. There's 11 parts of this step-by-step video course where you will learn a lot of tricks and a lot of shortcuts to really taking your online publishing business to the next level. So what I want to do right now is specifically talk about the 11-part video series itself. And if you want to read the sales letter, you can. Video number 1 is the introduction to rebranding. What we talk about here is the mindset. You'll need to change your mindset to what? We'll talk about more about that in that specific video. We'll talk about how the system works. We'll talk about tools that you're going to need, and so forth. Video number 2 is analyzing and rebranding. What we talk about in this specific video is to take what you have, the private label rights ebook and report, and analyze it and figure out how can you rebrand it. And I'll show you different ways, different angles, and different ways to rebrand that specific product, how you can increase the perceived value, and how you can stand out and not look just like everybody else who's selling that same product. Video number 3, we talk about how to rebrand the graphics, the mini site, and the e-cover, how to do it yourself. So I walk you through step by step how to use Photoshop, and as you know, Photoshop is a couple hundred or several $100s, and I actually show you how to get by. Instead of paying that, you can actually pay $19 to $29 a month. Video number 4 is how to outsource the graphics rebranding. So let's say, for example, you don't want to do it yourself and you want to outsource that. Well, I included that as an option in case you wanted to outsource that. So I talk about outsourcing, how to find a professional yet a good designer that you can use. Because a lot of people are afraid of outsourcing because they get scammed and so forth. So I teach you how to do it properly so that you don't get scammed, and how to find people that will do a good job. Video number 5, we're going to talk about sales letter rebranding, basically how to rebrand the sales letter, basic sales letter copy 101. And from that point, how to rewrite a sales letter very quickly and easily without running into writer's block. And then we'll talk about how to take that and add it to your sales letter HTML page by using a WYSIWYG HTML editor tool, and much more. Video number 6, we're going to talk about rebranding the product itself, the actual ebook, report, or written material. Video number 7, we're going to talk about how to convert the rebranded Word document into a PDF file. Video number 8, we're going to talk about squeeze pages, how to customize your squeeze page. If you don't have a squeeze page, how can you go about creating one? Video number 9, we talk about follow-up messages. If you don't have follow-up messages, how do you create that? Video number 10, we talk about setting up your thank you page, connecting the downloadable files to your thank you page. And video number 11, we talk about automating the whole process by using PayPal and connecting your sales letter to your thank you page and so forth. So this is really a content-packed video course. So with that said, if you want to learn how to increase the rebranding of your private label rights ebook or report, grab this video course